electricity grid. But don't worry, when your solar battery's stored energy is used, it will always be used to power your home first. Then any energy that's left over is exported to the grid and you'll receive your AGL solar feed-in tariff. It's easy to find the right fit for you in your home with our choice of solar battery bundles, including convenient ways to pay and the option to save on the cost of your bundle if you join our virtual power plant. Contact us today to get started on your solar-powered journey and join the growing number of Australians supporting the transition to a sustainable future.